Oh, wow.
This one I got for free.
Yeah. What's the other
And
one?
then this one I buy a single again. Another cookie.
Oh, wow.
And then
And then,
I have the cookie cutter. Oh my gosh, look, it says happy birthday. Oops, nawala yung ano.
oh, wow.
Look, ang laki.
Look at that.
That one.
Oh,
Carrot
yummy.
cake.
Huh?
Carrot cake ito.
Oh.
Strawberry leche.
Oh.
Leche daw.
Tapos
This
yan.
is a brownie cookie with M&M's.
Oh.
Lemon glaze. This one is the M&M's, regular M&M's, Easter, and then this is the chocolate chip.
Wow.
You wanna try
oh,
now?
Yummy.
Which one do you want to try? This one is called the carrot cake.
Oh, wow. Happy birthday, Cookie Nini.
Cookie Nini. Cookie Nini.
Cookie.
Thank you so
My
much.
cookie. Happy birthday, my cookie.
My cookie. So, kain na tayo ng cake. I mean,
Ano yan?
this the pang ano. Hindi ko mabuksan. Okay.
Ah, yan.
Which one you wanna try, Mama?
Gusto ko yung may ano, yung may nuts.
Walang nuts.
Ayun, yan. Ano yan?
Chocolate.
Yan?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Look. Ay, uneven. I give you.
Okay lang. O, kainin mo.
First bite.
First bite sa inyo. Oh. Talap.
Ang sarap.
Ang sarap yata. Yun.
Try mo.
Oh.
Ang maliit lang ng subo mo.
Ang sarap.
Look at the tres leches cake.
Okay. Maglaway na kayo. No, it's a joke. Ang sarap talaga, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Happy birthday to my cookie, Nining.